Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot add friends on Snapchat something went wrong problem on your Snapchat account. So guys, if you're trying to add friends on Snapchat but you are unable to add friends and you see something went wrong issue while adding friends, here I will show you how can you fix this issue. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly and it is fast. So guys, check your internet connection and after this go back and now go to your app store or play store and search for Snapchat and download and install the latest version of Snapchat app on your device. So I simply do this and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open your Snapchat and then tap on your profile, and from here scroll it below and go to my friends, and from here go to team Snapchat, and from here write support or please support me, and then send this message to the Snapchat team. And from here you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way that you're unable to add friends on Snapchat account. So guys, here you can see this, you can get any kind of help from the Snapchat team from here. So guys, you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way to the team Snapchat, and if you have not violated any community guidelines, then your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can also fix this issue on your Snapchat account as well. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.